Alright, I understand that title and thumbnail might be misleading, but I will be telling you today how to make the school most efficient and the most enjoyable hours of your life. I am Param, I scored 98.4 in class 10th boards about 2 to 3 years ago, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how to do all of that, okay? First of all, I would just like to say, along with the studies in class 10, I also used to work out, and therefore I built a good fit body for myself as well, and along with that I used to do extracurricular activities as well, such as drama, art, etc. Alright, now let's start off the video. First of all, I would like to say, most of you do not utilize your school well. In fact, जब मेरे boards थे 2022 में, every single person was so bad at time management because we just came out of COVID. So if they were not able to manage their time properly, they were not able to study properly or do other stuff. There was only one thing they could focus on, and that was not even well as well. So I am going to teach you how to be good at time management in your school itself, because this skill will help you a lot actually doing more stuff in 10th as well, such as enjoyment or do extracurricular activities that you want. First of all, I would just like to say, be a great listener. In every single class, I want you to be attentive and pay attention to teacher ki baatein. Every single time the teacher says something, you have to listen to it. Now, that does not mean that you become a front benching nerd. That does mean that you have to be an active listener at all times. You cannot be a passive listener or a passive reader in your class. You always have to be attentive. I am not saying that you should not talk to your friends or not do anything notorious, but do it. There's no problem. I just do not want you to lose your attention in school. You can talk to your friends. There's no problem. You can get scolded for it. I got a lot of times scolded for talking to my friends, doodling on my book. There's no problem. But I just want to be an active listener in school. Because सही बात बताओ ना, ऑनलाइन के भरोसे मत बैठो. ऑनलाइन तुम भरोसे में बैठ गए और लटक गए तो अगले साल टीचर शिफ्ट हो जाने हैं. यू विल नॉट बी लर्निंग एनीथिंग. ऑलराइट, एटलीस्ट अगर तुम स्कूल के भरोसे तो लटकोगे भी नहीं, एंड अगर लटक भी गए ना, you would still be learning a lot of stuff because you have paid attention and devoted your time offline, not online खाना खाते हुए. Alright, I want you to do this. Be an active listener. Do not sit कि मैं ऑनलाइन से पढ़ लूंगा. Always try कि मैं स्कूल में पढ़ लूँ. And नहीं होता है, कभी कभी I understand, कभी कभी नहीं होता है, that's fine. But try to be the best on this, because I believe if you're able to listen to school in well, because I believe that if you're able to listen in school बहुत अच्छे से, you will be able to ace your PT1s and midterms as well. I did not study a lot for my PT1s and midterms, but I was able to ace them and score better than 90%, 95% of people because I was a good listener in my class. The second thing I would like to tell you is always keep your reputation in front of the teachers good. Even if you're naughty, even if you're doing some weird stuff, that's fine, no problem. Teacher वो सुनने भी लेगी, उनको भी मजा ही आएगा आखिर में. As long as you're good at studying and you're doing studies well, anything that you will do, most of the time it will be excused on a lower note than someone जो पढ़ता नहीं है. Try to maintain a reputation in front of the teacher that you keep your homework and your copy work complete. You do the things they tell you to do, and also try to be with your friends at the same time with this. Okay. If you keep your reputation in line, the teacher will make a lot of things easier for you, whether it's extending the copy work date or it's giving you your internal marks, which you're actually worried about कि भाई full marks मिलेंगे कि नहीं. Maintain your reputation and it will help you a lot in this stuff and acing this stuff as well. Now, the third thing that I would like to say is you will get a lot of free time in school as well, whether it's free period, substitution period or dispersal से 5-6 मिनट पहले ही तुमको फ्री कर दिया जाता है, because every single student starts bouncing कि okay, this is dispersal, I want to go home. In these times, I want you to be completing your copy work, because कोई भी भाग के नहीं जाने वाला है. Every single person is going to be sitting there waiting for the dispersal to happen, even if they have lost their concentration on the class. They will still wait. So I want you to wait and be doing the homework that is already assigned to you. If the last period is SST and the teacher is giving you 5 minutes, okay, you can pack your bags now, who do the homework in those 5 minutes. And I believe most of the time when you're sitting in this time crunch that you have to do this in 5 minutes, you will be able to complete the work on time as well. And that is what I did. I almost kept my work complete just because I was able to do 20 minutes of work in my zero period, 5 minutes of work in my dispersal, and did like 40 minutes of work on my weekends. And that's it. That is the simple thing, and that's what I did. Every single time my internals were full. Some of my friends' internals were not given as full because they were very much lacking in this regard of copy work and assignments. You do not need a lot of time to do this. This is not strenuous work. Just 20 minutes of your zero period, 5 minutes of a dispersal, and that's enough. I am again not saying and not encouraging you to be a nerd and an introvert, and I do not want you to just sit in your class and keep writing on your copy, not talking to anyone. Talk to people, make friends, have no problems with them, enjoy a lot, but make sure you are maintaining a reputation to be a best student and trying to be the best student at the same time. The best student does not always get the best marks, but the best student will always try his or her best to do the things that he or she wants to do. Even if you don't score 100% best in your class, there's no problem if you scored 90% in your academics, did your 90% in the field of physical education or fitness, did 90% in extracurriculars, you are the best student already. Make sure that you're having a great time and you are following the things that I'm telling you. And the fourth thing I would just like to say, if you're just a book nerd or you just like studying and nothing else, please expand your horizon. This cannot be possible. And even if it is, come on, just expand your horizon, man. Try to reach out for more extracurricular activities, whether it's drama, art, singing, anything that interests you. And if you do not have the confidence to do so, well, build karna start karo. There's no solution to this other than trying to improve. I used to do a lot of drama in my 10th and I won competitions and that as well. And that helped me boost my confidence even more to do other stuff I wanted, such as this channel. So I would just like to tell you, 10th was one of the most enjoyable and one of the most efficient classes that I ever had. In fact, I would like to argue that it is the most efficient, if not counted my 12th. Because my 12th was as efficient as well and I believe it was more. But my 10th was especially more efficient. I went to school from 7 to 2. I was in school from 4 to 8. I had NTSC coaching because NTSC was an exam at that time. And still I came home at 8:30 and did my workout. I was able to manage my time and score good. And I believe you can do the same as well. With my mentorship and anything that you want, you can comment down below. I'll make a video on it. Make sure you're doing all of the stuff that I've told you in this video. Trying to be the best. And honestly, enjoy your time trying to be the best. Because even if you are the best, that is not the moment of enjoyment. The moment of enjoyment is your journey. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you score great. If you want anything, comment down below. I'll be here. Bye-bye.